Good morning, students. Today we will start lesson number 5, population migration and human development. Population migration and human development. First of all, in this lesson we discuss about the population migration. So first here the topic population migration. What is population? The number of the person in the particular region is called the population. What is population? Here the number of the person in particular region is called the population. And in this lesson we study about the migration. The population migration, the people settle one place to the another place, that is called the migration. What is here the migration? Then the people, the human, the group of human migrate one place to the another place, settle one place to the another place, that is called the migration. That is called the migration. Here the many region like the economic region, social region, religious regions, political regions are responsible for migration of the population. And the highest migration in the world is for like here in India. After the marriage, woman settle the another place. Clear? And the migration is also from the in discovery, for employment. Okay, people migrate from one place to another place for employment. And here the topic population migration. The definition according to Mr. Bob. The definition according to Bob. Clear? The definition according to Bob. When a human community or group leaves their own place and starts living and settle down at some other place, it is called the migration. In this definition, what is here the migration? The human community or group क्या कर रहा है? Leaves their place, अपने group जो place है, birth place है, ठीक है, जो places है उसको क्या कर रहा है? Leave their group, they leaves their own place and starts living in the another place and settle down this some other place, that is called the migration. So the people, the group of the people, community of the human migrate one place to the another place, settle one place to the another place, that is called the migration according to Mr. Bob. So here the definition of the Bob about the migration: when a human community or group leaves their own place and starts living and settle down at some other place, that is called the migration. The group of human leaves their place and settle the another place, that is called the migration. Here the definition of migration according to Mr. Bob. And next year, migration. What is migration in the simple word? Then the human group, human settle one place to the another place, that is called the migration. The definition of the migration: the population, population or people settle one place to the another place, that is called migration. Yeah. The people settle one place to the another place, that is called the migration. And here we can discuss about the types of the migration, like here the immigration and the emigration. What is here the immigration and emigration? First of all, the emigration. Think here the place is A. Imagine that this place is A, and the people, group of the human migrate from this place for new places. The people migrate from the one place to the another place. But यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? People क्या कर रहे हैं ना? The human group क्या कर रहा है? ये जो अपना own place है उसे छोड़कर कहाँ जा रहा है? New place. That is called the emigration. Clear? Here the process of transfer by which one man group moves from the place to another, that is called emigration. And here outside of the region. Then people, यानी क्या हो रहा है इसमें? सिंपल, यानी जो अपना प्लेस है उससे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? न्यू प्लेसेस, नए प्लेसेस में जाके क्या हो रहा है, सेटल हो रहे हैं, यानी अपनी जगह से बाहर निकलना, आउटसाइड ऑफ रीजन, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एमिग्रेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एमिग्रेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एमिग्रेशन. Here the example, the European people settle in USA, European population settle in USA. Then here the lack of resources in European countries, then they want high life level and they discover many places like here the America, and in America here the possibility of life level increasing is more than the European people settle in the USA and Canada. This type of migration is called the एमिग्रेशन. यूरोपियन पीपल सेटल इन यूएसए, यानी क्या हुआ, यूरोप से निकलकर बाहर गए ना, आउटसाइड ऑफ द रीजन, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एमिग्रेशन. देन हियर द इमिग्रेशन, व्हाट इज इमिग्रेशन, देन द पीपल come here the places, like here this definition of the immigration, the process of arrival in which humans come from other places in a state or place. Clear? What is here the immigration, that is emigration and immigration. immigration में क्या हो रहा है, think here the place B, then people या human group arrival the places, यानी कि जो आ रहे हैं ना, आकर सेटल हो रहे हैं. Clear? here the arrival and the settle this place, that is called the immigration. और जब बाहर जा रहे हैं outside of the region, that is called the emigration, that is called the emigration. And what is here the emigration, then the people arrival the places, जो आकर यहाँ पर arrival and settle the places, that is called the immigration. For example, here the most of Bangladeshis are settled in India. Bangladeshis are settled in India. बाहर से आए और कहाँ पर आकर रहने लगे, arrival India and they settle in India. This example of immigration. What a person or human is emigrate and emigration? Yes, a person is also, human is also emigrate and the immigration. Like here this example. Then here the European migrate to USA countries. Then here the for the European countries they are called emigrate, and for America they are called immigrate. यानी कि जहां से जा रहे हैं ना, उस जगह से निकलकर बाहर जा रहे हैं, that is called the emigration या emigrate. And then the people settle, arrival and settle, जैसे यूएसए में आकर सेटल हो रहे हैं, that is called the immigrate. ठीक है, जहां आकर रह रहे हैं immigrate, और जो बाहर निकल रहे हैं, that is called here the emigrate. Clear? Next here the topic, aspects of migration. Aspects of migration. What is here the aspects of the migration? Here the 5 aspects of migration: distance, duration, cause, volume and stability. Distance aspects, duration aspect, cause aspect and volume aspect, and the stability. All these are the migration aspect. First here the distance. Migration is for the some distance and the long distance. ठीक है, migrate people one village to another village, migration from the one village to cities, and migrate one continent to another continent, migrate one country to another country. Here this is the distance migration. जब क्या हो रहा है, एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में या डिस्टेंस के लिए जहाँ पे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, सेटल हो रहे हैं. इट इज कंसिडर्ड दैट from where the population from which state of region, intercontinental migration and intercontinental migration, international migration. So what is here the one people settle one place to the another place, here one country to another country, one continent to the another continent. This is here the distance aspect. Here the measure about the distance. Second here the duration, that is here migrate people for some time, migrate people for the long time. ठीक है, that here the count the duration in this aspect. ठीक है, study about duration of migration, like here the seasonal migration, long time migration. The some people here the transhuman, then transhuman here the what migrate for the some time, and for some people migrate for the long time, जैसे that is called the duration. Here the aspect of duration, यानी टाइम का यहाँ पे हम काउंट कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस को काउंट कर रहे थे. that is here the causes, and the causes also responsible for the migration, like here the physical, also political, social, religious reasons are responsible for the migration. ठीक है, physical, economical, social, cultural, political causes of migration are considered in this aspect, causes aspects. Next is the volume. So volume also, volume here the number of the person. Some people like here the 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and like here the 100 people, 1000 people. Here the number of the person count in this aspect, volume aspects. Clear? Number of people, number of persons are count in this volume aspect. Next are the stability. So migration in which the migrant population settle in new countries permanently. Example, European people settle in USA. European people settle in USA. This aspect is the stability, यानी कि permanent वहाँ पे settle हो गए. Permanent settle हो गए ना, यहाँ पे stability आ रही है कि यूरोप से गए और फिर USA में रहने लगे और permanently they settle in the USA. That is here the stability aspect. तो in this lecture we discuss about the population migration. What is migration? Here the people settle one place to the another place, that is called the migration according to Mr. Bob. Here when a human community or group leaves their own place and starts living and settle down at other some places, it is called the migration. Clear? And the what is here the migration people settle one place to the another place, and two type of here the emigration and immigration. Then people settle in the outside of the region, that is called the immigration, and the immigration the people arrival and settle, that is called immigration. And here the 5 aspects of the migration: distance, duration, cost, volume, stability. In this distance we count here distance, and in this is here the time, duration, and here the causes like physical, political, religion, cultural, all these are. And volume here the number of people, and here the count the people settle. Stability permanent stable, like here the European countries people stable in the USA after the migration. Clear?